You know when you're a kid trying to fall asleep in your room and you see some shadow and it looks like a monster? Or maybe you're in the shower and you feel like somebody's about to get you through those curtains. Or maybe you're cutting out the lights and you're going up the stairs or walking through the hallway and you're scared somebody's gonna pop out of a corner. I promise you, pursuit of enlightenment is exactly like the revelation of those fears becoming, well, what they really are. Enlightenment is like the constant revelation of fear becoming love. Peace.